Now we are going to learn how to know the square root of big numbers or unknown numbers. For example, if I tell you what is the square root of 5329 and you may be saying, I don't know what. So let us see how to at least guess the square root of this number, provided this number is a perfect square. Perfect square means a number whose square root is very much easy and it is possible to find the square root, and that's not an irrational number. So we are going to assume that this number 5325 is a perfect square, means we'll have a very decent answer. But still, how to find the square of 5329, or how to at least guess it? And since it's an odd number, it's even not divisible by 2. So let us see how to do this. The idea in order to guess the square root of 5329 is that if I try to square 40, means what is 40 40s are? I'll be getting 1600, means 1600, because 4 square is 16 and the double of 10 is 2 zeros, 1600. Similarly, what is the square of 50? The answer is 2500. And what is the square of 60? 6 6 is 36, 3600. Then what is the square of 70? The answer is 7 7 is 49, 00. Then what is the square of 80? The answer is 8 8 is 64, followed by 2 zeros. Now this number 5329, it lies between 4900 and 6400. So the first guess that we have is that this number, the square root of that number, lies between 70 and 80. So it lies somewhere between 70 and 80, but we do not know where. Now comes the second part. The last digit of this number is 9. And we know that 3 3s is 9. Then 4 4s is 16, 5 5s is 25, 6 6 is 36, 7 7s is 49. And in this case, when the last digit was 3 or when the last digit was 7, we have the units place as 9. So the first thing that we know is this number lies between 70 and 80, and the last digit could either be 3 or it could be 7, because over here the last digit is 9, and we assume that this is a perfect square. So either the answer is 73 into 73, means 73 squares 5329, or 77 into 77 could be 5329. So one of the ways is simply multiply. So 3 3s is 9, 7 3s is 21, then we have a 0, 7 3s is 21, 2 carry, 7 7s are 49, 50, 51. So we add them, 9, 2, 3, 5. Yes, indeed we get 5329. So the answer to our question is, it is 73. So we know that 73 is a prime number. So we can just write this as, by factorization method, 73 multiplied by 73. 73 multiplied by 73, and 173 comes out. So we have the square root of 5329 is 73. But there is a even simpler method which can be derived from whatever we did just now. And that simpler method is this. Just erase this. And that simpler method is, we need to write this 5329 in the corner and then divide it into groups of 2 like this. Now just look at the last digit. The last digit is 9. So we know 3 3s is 9 and 7 7s is also 49, because 1 1 is 1, the last digit is 1, the 2 2s is 4, last digit is 4. But 3 3s is 9 and 7 7s is also 49. So the last digit is 9 in case we have 3 in the units place or 7 in the units place. So our number is either having 3 as the last digit or 7 as the last digit. Now 53. We know that 53 lies between 7 sevens are 49 and 8 eights are 64. So 53 lies between the square of 7 and 8. And the smaller number out of that is 7. So either our answer is 73 or the answer is 77. But still, how to confirm whether it is 73 or 77? We know that 75 lies between 73 and 77. And in one of the videos, we just saw how to find the square of a number that ends in 5. So we first write 5 square is 25. And then 7. What follows 7? 8 follows 7. 7 is 56. So the square of 75 is 5625. And our number 5329 is smaller than 5625. So our answer should be smaller than the square root of 5625, which is 75. So our number should be smaller than that. So we can guess that our answer is 73. So let me explain this to you another time, in another sum. But this time, let us first of all write all the squares of 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The square of 1 is 1, the square of 2 is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. How will we find the square root of 141.61? First of all, let us ignore this decimal point for some time. So, 14161. Let us group this 61 together and let us take all these digits together. No need to group them in the group of 2. So, the last digit is 1. And we know 1 occurs over here and 1 occurs over here as the last digit. So either the last digit of our answer, the square root answer, is 1 or 9. So we have two answers. Either the last digit is 1 or the last digit is 9. Because 1 ones is also 1 and 9 nines is also 81. So 1 is the last digit. Now tell me, where does this 141 come? 141 does not come over here. So we need to write further. 11 square is 121 and 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, and this 141, this number 141, it lies between 121 and 144, a little less than 144, but it lies between 121 and 144. So which is a smaller number? The smaller number is 121. What is opposite to that 121? 11. So our previous digits are 11. So our answer is either 111 or 119. Now, how can we confirm whether it is 111 or 119? The first method is either multiply 111 in the corner. If that's not giving us 141.61, then the answer is 119. The other way is, we know that 115 comes exactly in between 111 and 119, and we also know how to find the square of 115. So 5 square is 25. What comes after 11? 12 comes after 11. What is 11 12s? If you do it in the corner, 11 12s is 132. So 13225 is the square of 115. But this number is bigger than 13225. So our best guess is that the answer to this would be 119. But then after the point we have two digits. So in the answer after the decimal point we shall only be having one digit. So let us confirm this. Let us see actually if this is true. So 11.9 multiply by 11.9. 9 nines is 81. 8 carry. 1 nines are 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 carry. 1 nines are 9 plus 1 is 10. Just I'll remove this and this is a 1. Then we'll put 1 0. 1 nines are 9. 1 ones are 1 and 1 ones are 1. Then we'll put 2 zeros. 1 nines are 9, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So we have 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. See, we had 1 as the last digit. Then 7 plus 9 is 16, 1 carry. 9, 10, 11, 1 carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Yes, indeed, we get 14161. And after the decimal point, there is 1 digit and there is another 1 digit. So over here, after the decimal point, we shall have 2 digits. So that is why in the question, when we had 2 digits after decimal point, we only wrote 1 digit after decimal point. So we have easily guessed that the answer to this is 119. Similarly, what is the square root of 7225? So we shall be writing 7225, 25 group together, and we have the 72 in another group. Since we have 5 as the last digit, you can see over here 5 as the last digit only occurs once, and the number opposite to that is 5. So we have 5 as the last digit of our answer also. And now what will come over here? So look at this number 72. And where does this 72 come? 72 comes in between 64 and 81. Smaller is 64. And what is opposite to 64? We have 8 opposite to 64. So 8 is the answer. So 8585 is the answer. So what is the answer to the square root of 7225? The answer is 85. And we also know that the 85 square is 5 square is 25. What comes after 8? 9 comes. 8 nines is 72. So the square root of 7225 is 85. I hope you understood this. Thank you.